For beginners, and in this we're going to look at the switch. Remember I mentioned the switch when we looked at the if else? Well, this is just a quicker, neater way of doing this. Okay? So we have a string, which is a class, and we've given it a variable and we assigned the word Java to it. Okay? Now we're going to put it into this switch statement, and it's going to go through and try and find Java, and when it does, it will output what it says. Okay? So at this minute in time, I have Java down here. Right? And if I save that, and we'll run it again, since you're here, we should get Java down here. Okay? Now there we get Java. Now if I change this to Javas, okay, and I save this, so we no longer have Java, so it's going to have to go through it again and see what it finds. So move down here, it takes its time. None of the above, you see. So basically, it's in a switch state, and we'll go through each of these conditions, and if it finds the matching variable in the condition, it will print out the necessary output according to that condition. Okay. But when it goes through each time, if it hits the correct one, it will break out the statement. Okay, so if I go and change this to Perl, if I save that, when it finds Perl, which is the first one, it will go break and break out of this loop. It won't go through the rest of these, okay, because it found what it needs to find. And it outputs that. And it takes a little bit of time, coming down here. Well, she's not responding now. Why? And there she is, Perl language. So again, this is just a switch state. It's pretty simple, you know. But that's the default down here. If none of the conditions match, you put in a default and you just put in whatever you want to write down. None of the above or not recognized or whatever. But we'll go through more of this. But the next one I want to start looking at getting output from the Java program. Alright, thanks for joining. See you next time. Take care guys. Bye bye.